Oud for beginners, big mistake. This one almost killed me. But first, let's start with the safe options.
Hey everybody, we're the VanKleys. Welcome to the family. Today we're out at House of Dubai again, doing a little sniffing around and filming.
We are filming today our favorite ouds from the least oudi and, let's be honest, least challenging for me to the most oudi and like, so good. So that's what we're doing today.
Yeah, so make sure you like and subscribe, follow, share, all the good things. Are you ready for some oud spectaculation?
Oudtacular?
Oh, it's an oudtacular.
It's oudtacular.
Our t-shirt line is going to be a massive hit.
It's going to be oud-mazing.
Amazing.
Our first oud on our oud venture is Nishane's Hasivat. And she's kind of like a light, bright, citrusy oud. I get a punch of citrus right away from her.
Bergamot, I think.
Yeah.
I think there's bergamot in it. I don't know. Listen up, everybody. We're not telling you all the notes today.
Not gonna
Just
happen.
enjoy the experience.
Yes.
Enjoy it.
So that's Nishane by Hasivat. She's a really friendly, welcoming, crispy, welcome oud.
Welcome to the party, everyone.
So enjoy her.
Hasivat.
Hasivat.
There you go. The next fragrance in the oud lineup is by Tomovici, and it is called Opulent Oud.
Beautiful ombre bottle. She is my favorite.
Well,
Especially
it's
at
your
the
only oud.
Probably. Let's be honest. But she is this wonderful, fresh, sweet, big old rosy with some oud going on in the
It's
bottle.
very user-friendly.
So user-friendly, so welcoming. She's like a big rosy hug around you as you come into this oud party with us. That is Tomovici's Opulent Oud.
Opulent Oud. The next fragrance in our lineup, hitting a little more challenging, a little more direct into the oud, would be Mango Oud by Gritti. This is a beautiful, fruity, rich, but crisp. Susie said it's dreamy, and I agree.
It is dreamy.
This beautiful watercolored bottle. Oud went to the islands and
know.
came back with a souvenir of mango.
Loads of mangoes. So
It's
pretty.
probably my favorite mango fragrance, honestly.
Oh, definitely.
And the oud is spectacular,
Even for me, who is challenged by oud.
but in a good way.
Yeah, I love her.
It's so great. That's Mango Oud by Gritti.
Amira Loud Latafel. Next one on our fabulous oud journey is from Perfumo di Firenze, and it's XXV or 25 Marzo. 25 Marzo. You have this.
I
maybe,
do.
don't you?
She's a beauty.
Mhm. Jammy, spicy.
It's definitely oud. There's no mistaking it. I would say if you're familiar with oud maracuja, that's like a very, pungent's a strong word, but it's kind of pungent. This is like oud maracuja light.
Yeah.
It has similar notes, in my opinion. It's just in a lighter presentation. It's easier to wear. It's not as heavy, thick.
I get the florals first, and that appeases me and makes me happy.
It's a serious oud, but in a light way.
It's lightly serious.
Lightly serious, everybody. And that's, what's its name again? Susie?
It's Fumo di Firenze. It is 25 Marzo.
Marzo. Next on our list is one of my new favorites. It's Burgundy Oud by Atelier.
Matieri?
Matieri?
I believe so.
Okay. I don't know. Who's to say?
Matieri.
We're going to write it down for you guys, as we always do. Beautiful black currant oud. So it's got that sweet jamminess from the black currant. I would say it's a little more masculine leaning, but I would wear it. It's not as masculine as an oud maracuja, but the fruitiness brings it more towards the center. It's a fun oud fragrance. I really like it.
Oud, I still would be reticent to wear it, but I do like that pop of the black currant.
Yeah.
Right at the beginning.
It's almost grapey.
It is.
But not in a winey way.
No, and not in a jelly way.
No. It's the black currant though. It's just so rich. Yeah,
It's gorgeous.
so gorgeous.
So gorgeous.
right?
Burgundy Oud
Burgundy Oud.
by Atelier Matieri.
You just can't help
I
yourself.
can't help myself, can I?
You
had to
can't. Oh my
cover
God.
face.
Do it. Do it. Excellent. Next one on our list is the Mac Daddy, one of the OGs, if you will, and that's by Initio, and that's Oud for Greatness.
So pretty, the bottle.
I mean,
I love
I have this one in my collection,
Mm-hmm.
and it is a leathery oud.
It is very
your
leathery.
quintessential classic oud fragrance. That leather brings in the richness and the boldness.
I
Yeah.
do love it. I do love it. I don't think I would wear it, but I'd sure be happy to snuggle up with somebody who was wearing it.
It's your classic oud. It's your quintessential classic oud
Mhm.
fragrance, and that you can say it's a cliche all you want, but it's gorgeous. It's famous for a reason. Oud for Greatness by Initio.
So our last stop on the journey of oud.
Yes,
Ladies and
the
gentlemen,
high-end
we have
edition.
reached it. This is an amazing oud. This is Kajal's Lamar Noir.
It's such
Whoa.
a
Oh, I gotta
woody,
smell it.
deep, luxurious, spicy,
Oh.
dark. It's all the things that make oud
Yes.
so oudy.
Yeah.
It is. It's in keeping with oud maracuja, like the big mamma jamma of oud. In my opinion, it's a little more unisex than oud maracuja,
Okay.
but it's also extremely oudy. If you do
Mhm.
not like oud, this is not where to start.
I'm not here yet.
It's okay. You
It's
don't
okay
have
if
to be a stunning, deep, leathery oud.
It's sexy.
So sexy.
It's super sexy. Would snuggle up very close to someone.
Not
Mhm.
on you.
No. Mm-mm.
That's a Lamar Noir by
Kajal.
Kajal. Well, everybody, thanks for stopping by today for our Oud Journey high-end edition. I hope you enjoyed our lineup from the lightest and brightest to the deepest and darkest of oud fragrances. Give you a good taste of all the different things that the niche fragrance lines have to offer you.
I hope you were oudified by
Oudified.
it. It was
See
amazing.
how many puns we can put together. There's
could
more where
probably
that came
find-
from.
yeah, that's
but we'll
right.
save them for the next video.
Thank you very much for joining us. Thank you very much to the House of Dubai for hosting us. We will put our discount code for the House of Dubai in the end of the video and in the notes. But in the meantime, if all of you out there would please like, share, give us some thumbs up. We are trying to get to 500 followers.
Susan and I are getting grounded, so it's got to happen.
You got to do
Otherwise,
it.
We're going to be real sad. We're
We're
going to
going to
be
be
real
so sad.
But yeah, if you could please like and subscribe, share all the good things. And look out because tomorrow will be our affordable edition of our Oud Stravaganza.
Exactly. Look out. Ooh,
There's
we
an
got-
out with the VanKleys, Maria, and Susan. Welcome to the family, everybody. Take care.
Thanks.
That I give myself time before we start talking till my hand is back because I tell you, I
Yeah.
tried to cut my arm out a lot of
Yeah,
times in the
that
last
was
one. I
pretty
got
funny.
a little.
I know.
little.
That's all
It-
right. Yeah, it's okay.
It can be
yeah.
pretty speedy for it. We can
that's-
be. Oh, what's this? It's not. Oh wait, it's my mullet. Oh my, it's my mullet. It's my big mullet. It's my mullet. It's my mullet.
It's your mullet.
My mullet.